Do I have to account to the trustee for the money I've spent from my tax returns? I'm going to answer that question for you on this video. You know, I'm shooting this video in the spring part of the year, and for many folks, they've recently gotten their tax returns or tax refunds, right? And so then they have to file a bankruptcy case. Sometimes one of the best investments you can make when you get your tax return is to hire you a good bankruptcy lawyer so you can get all this debt off of you. Now, I'm not saying you should, but you might. But the question that I get asked is, do I have to account for that money? And the answer really is yes. If you get a big old slug of money, that trustee's going to want to know, did you hide that money? Did you just put it under your mattress? Or did you spend it? Look, that money belongs to you. You're entitled to spend it. And in most circumstances with my cases, we still have money left in our exemptions. That is the law that says we can pull back from the reach of creditors. We normally have more money left in our exemptions to pull that money back. And so it really doesn't matter much how you spent the money, but your trustee is going to want to know. One thing the trustee wants to know is, you're not abusing the system, are you? You got this big slug of money, man. What did you do with it? Did you pay your brother? Did you pay your sister? You don't want to do that. Remember, don't want to do that. But yeah, you might have to account for it, but just because you have to account for that money doesn't mean that you've got to give it up. Because remember, when I say you're entitled to an exemption, pull back from the reach of creditors, you're entitled to that exemption on any personal property that you have. And that would include cash. And it would certainly include the money you got from your tax return. Hope this was helpful to you.